Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete WhatsApp channels from your status feed to organize your channel subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen to access your status feed and channels. Step 3. Scroll down to the Channels section to view all the channels you are currently following. Step 4. Find the channel you want to delete or unfollow from your status feed. Step 5. Tap and hold on the channel name until a menu appears with options. Step 6. Select Unfollow or Mute from the Options menu to stop receiving updates from the channel. Step 7. If you want to completely remove the channel from your feed, tap on the channel to open it, then tap the channel name at the top. Step 8. Tap Unfollow to remove the channel from your subscriptions and status feed. Step 9. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure the channel is removed from your WhatsApp channels list. Step 10. Repeat these steps for any additional channels you want to delete from your status feed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.